Hey, welcome back. This is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic. This is Easter weekend, so I thought I would do a video on a topic that is in tune with the festivities. Everybody's having Easter lunch, celebrating, the kids are playing, and they are running around looking for the eggs. This is a celebration of spring, new beginnings, and fertility. And in this video, I will show you 13 crystals for fertility. Now, before we start, mandatory disclaimer. Address the situation with licensed medical professionals in the necessary fields. On the personal aspect, your day-to-day life, surround yourself with those who love you and support you in this process. And talking about process, this is how the crystal recommendations in this video are going to be broken down. Before we start, like always, let's talk about any issues surrounding fertility or the absence of it. It's very important you clean up your environment and the energies and beliefs that do not serve you. And that goes for both parents-to-be and the family that is going to be around the child growing up. So let's talk about the crystals, their shape, and the function in this process. First, clearing the energy of your space. And you can check the videos in the description that will help you with that. You can smudge if you want, use sound, or crystals. If you're going to use crystals, make sure they are cleansed and programmed for this purpose. And use a combination like this. For example, black tourmaline to clean up and transform, black obsidian to lock up or seal. Then you can infuse the space with the energy of rose quartz. I know I have talked about these crystals extensively in many of my videos. I'm just giving you another way to use them. The next cleansing is the chakras, your energy centers, and again that goes for both parents-to-be. It is very important that you identify blockages, underactive energy centers, everything that is draining away the life force from the root, sacral, and heart chakras. I'm not going to do a chakra clearing mini class here, but I have to say, watch out for overactive chakras because that energy takes over the other energy centers. Check your energy and learn your patterns. And if you need to take it a step further, maybe do a soul aligning reading to tackle the issues and do the energy work to address what is keeping you from manifesting, in this case, a child. Again, this goes for both parents. Now, to clear and align all chakras, I'm not going to go around this. Look high and night. I'm going all over the place with 7 crystals. Then infuse those 3 chakras with the right energy, and we'll pick some stones for this. For the root chakra, red jasper and red garnet. Nurturing and energizing, check out my video on red crystals here. Now, as for the shape, this is important because crystals that are cut in a certain way are powerful energy tools. For fertility, we want to consider egg shapes and geodes. The egg symbolizes successful fertilization and a healthy embryo, and the geode symbolizes the womb. This will be the shapes to use for sacral chakra and healthy reproductive systems. These crystals will be carnelian at both physical and emotional level because if there are some traumas or blockages or unhealthy sexuality, this is the crystal you want. And also because of its vibrancy and happiness. And think about this. It looks like candy. Vibrant, happy childhood memories that now you'll start creating with your own child. The next one is Unikite. It's a heartstone crystal, heart, and also third eye. But when it comes to physical health, it supports recovering from a long period of illness and return to normal cycles. It also resonates with root and base chakras It helps ground excess energy. Remember what we said about taking care of those overactive chakras? Now we're going into the heart. For the heart, chrysoprase, because it is the heartstone chakra, but in the sense of joy. It also resonates with the sacral chakra. That's the combination we're looking for. And also it's a crystal to bring new love to your life, meaning you will charge it for that new love to be your child. As for shape, egg shape too. Another green crystal for this purpose, green jade. Say no more, prosperity, good health, and longevity. Now that we're situated with the chakra crystals, let's look at other areas of the ongoing process, which are the emotional balance and hormonal balance. So pick Tourmaline and Labradorite to help with mood swings and anxiety. If you kept them in your place, the sphere is the best shape, but you can also combine them in a crystal grid and pick the master crystal in the shape of generator or pyramid. Depending on where the parents to be are in the process, you will start with the sacred geometry pattern of the seed of life and work your way towards the fruit of life, 13 crystals. If you haven't worked with crystal grids in the past, there is a link to a free crystal grid class in my Schooling Teachable. In the description below, you'll see that. Now let me end with Labradorite for hormonal balance and to keep your aura clean and strong. For this, I recommend wearing a bracelet. I have one right here, or pendant. So don't forget to check the links below. There's a lot of information in videos and articles. And let me do the disclaimer again. This is in no way medical advice. Consult the necessary licensed practitioners on this issue, and may your wish come true for the greatest good. Happy Easter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.